Can't sleep, huh? Yeah, I know. The wind is nice and all, but that thunder, that just kinda ruins it. Come here. Want me to, I don't know, make you some tea or something? This might help. Okay. Me? I'm trying to get some writing done. Like, I know I'm not that far behind yet, but I really want to catch up. It's just bothering me, and I need to get back on track with it and get stuff done and actually be productive. And just writing this late at night is just kind of peaceful. Like, it's quiet and nobody actually expects anything, and there is no distraction. And actually, that rain and storm and stuff going on outside, it's a pretty nice background noise. Like, it's just there, and it's not distracting, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I mean. I didn't get that far yet. I was trying a few different things, but in the end, it didn't quite fit in. So I've been trying to do the same scene for I don't know, 5 times by now. Eventually I will get it done. I will find something that will flow better than what I had before. Either way, what are we gonna do now, huh? So, what you're trying to tell me is that you are not planning to go back to bed, huh? Okay. So, what am I gonna do with you, huh? Yes, I suppose that could work. I mean, I don't mind you hanging out here while I'm working. It's not like that couch isn't large enough for the both of us. And, if you want to, there is still that throw blanket hanging out somewhere. So you could just get yourself comfy and, I don't know, be here. I mean, I'm not going to be very entertaining because, to be honest, I'm going to be kind of distracted with this screen and stuff, but if that's what you want to, okay. Maybe this constant clacking of my keyboard is helping you to fall back asleep. Yes, I know, but I wouldn't mind. And if you fall asleep and I'll still asleep, even when I'm done here, I could just shut the computer, set it away, and stay here. Or I could just wake you up and drag you upstairs back to bed. Whatever you prefer, I guess. So, is the screen too bright or something? Oh, okay, I could turn it down a little. I mean, if I'm going to turn down the light and everything, it's going to be a bit harsh, and yeah, you get what I mean, but okay. You think it's fine, then it's okay. If anything is going to bother you, like the typing or anything, just tell me, okay? Well then,